Okay, so there's a bleach that's 5.75% sodium hypochlorite, and swimming pool shock treatment that's 9.5% sodium hypochlorite. How much of each item must be mixed to get 7 cups of a mixture that is 7.1% sodium hypochlorite? So we don't know how much of this solution, we don't know how many cups of this one or how many cups of this one. So what we can do is we can just call one of them X. It's an X amount of cups. And so this one is going to be 7 minus X cups. Right? Because if this is 2 cups, then this has to be 5 cups. If this is 3 cups, it's got to be 4 cups, right? Yeah, 3 plus 4 is 7. So these two expressions balance that out so that we have an algebraic expression for the amount of cups. So what we need to do is take the decimal form of the percentage and multiply it to X cups. That's the amount of sodium hypochlorite that comes out of the first mixture. And then same thing with the next one, 0.095. We're going to multiply that to the amount of cups. It's just a parentheses expression now. And that should equal 7 cups of the 0.071 mixture. Okay? The amount of sodium hypochlorite in the first one plus the amount of sodium hypochlorite in the next one equals the total amount of sodium hypochlorite. And now we have an equation we can solve. So that's 0.0575x, and then distribute this 0.95. That makes 0.665 minus 0.095x, right? Because we got to distribute it. And that should equal 7 times 0.071. That makes 0.497 over here. Getting closer to solving it. Now we can combine the two x's. This is 0.575 subtracted by 0.095. That makes negative 0.0375x when we combine those two with our calculator. I'm just copying everything else down. Then trying to get x by itself, we've got to subtract 0.665 from both sides. So we get negative 0.0375x equals negative 0.168 on the right side. And then to finish getting x by itself, we divide both sides by 0.0375. Negative, I should say. Negative 0.0375. So the decimals are yucky, but this should feel a little bit familiar to stuff we've done already in this quiz. So we get 4.48. There's 4.48 cups, and we said x was the 5.75% solution. And then to find out y, or not y, to find out this amount, you just the amount of the shock treatment, you just take 7 minus 4.48.